Men over 60, I know this may sound hard to believe, but there's an everyday item in your bathroom that can help trigger stronger blood flow and faster firmness. And it has nothing to do with your teeth. I'm talking about your toothbrush. And no, this isn't a gimmick or some internet myth. There's a specific nerve pathway in the male body that responds extremely quickly to gentle stimulation. When activated the right way, it can signal your body to increase circulation where it matters most, often within seconds. I'm Dr. Mia Carter, and today I'm going to explain how this works, why it's backed by real physiology, and exactly how to do it safely. This method doesn't cost anything, doesn't involve medication, and for many men, the response is noticeable the very first time. But you need to watch this entire video, because using the wrong pressure or the wrong timing can make it ineffective. Before we begin, make sure you're subscribed and comment below. Had you ever heard of something like this before? Most men haven't, and there's a reason no one talks about it. Let me explain the science first. Between the scrotum and the anus, there's a small soft area known as the perineum. Most men never give this area a second thought, but beneath the surface runs one of the most important nerves involved in male sexual function, the pudendal nerve. This nerve is responsible for sensation and muscle activation in the pelvic region. It plays a direct role in erection quality by communicating between the brain and the blood vessels of the penis. When this nerve is gently stimulated, it sends a signal upward telling the body to increase blood flow. That response can happen very fast, especially in men who struggle with slow or inconsistent firmness. Research published in the Journal of Sexual Medicine has shown that targeted stimulation of this nerve pathway can improve erectile response in men with mild to moderate dysfunction. In simple terms, you're activating the body's natural wiring instead of forcing a response. Think of it like flipping a switch instead of pushing a stalled engine. Now here's where most men get it wrong. They either press too hard, stimulate for too long, or do it at the wrong time. The perineum is a sensitive area. The nerve sits relatively close to the surface. Aggressive pressure can actually dull sensation instead of enhancing it. That's why fingers often don't work well for this. A soft-bristled toothbrush provides light, consistent stimulation without overwhelming the nerve. Another mistake is duration. You don't need minutes. More is not better here. 20 to 30 seconds is enough to trigger the signal. Timing also matters. This works best shortly before intimacy, within a few minutes. Too early, and the effect fades. Too late, and your body has already missed the signal window. Now, let me walk you through the exact method. First, find the spot. While sitting or standing comfortably, locate the soft area between your scrotum and anus. It's roughly the size of a coin. That's your target zone. Second, use a clean, soft-bristled toothbrush. Avoid medium or hard bristles. Hygiene matters. Third, apply gentle rhythmic motion. Fourth, keep it brief, 20 to 30 seconds. Many men notice a response sooner, but finish the full time. Fifth, timing. Do this 2 to 5 minutes before intimacy. What you may feel is a subtle warmth or tingling in the pelvic area. Increased blood flow. Sometimes the beginning of firmness, even without mental stimulation. That's the nerve pathway activating. Now there's one additional technique that can make this even more effective. Breathing. While performing this stimulation, breathe slowly and deeply. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold briefly, then exhale slowly. Deep breathing activates the parasympathetic nervous system, the part of your body responsible for relaxation and arousal. When you combine nerve stimulation with controlled breathing, you're activating both physical and neurological pathways at the same time. Studies in psychophysiology have shown that controlled breathing enhances physiological arousal and blood flow response. In simple terms, your body responds faster. So here's the full method together. Locate the perineum. Use a soft bristled toothbrush. Apply gentle circular or tapping motion. Continue for 20 to 30 seconds. Breathe slowly and deeply. Do this a few minutes before intimacy. That's it. No pills, no supplements, no cost. Your toothbrush isn't just for oral health. When used correctly, it can help activate the natural nerve signals that support firmness and performance. It may sound unusual, but the physiology is real. And for many men, the results speak for themselves. Try it tonight, then come back and comment what you noticed. I'm Dr. Mia Carter. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.